Here we go, guys. We're back with another episode of Nkanelo Gingirikani with me, Mandla Gingirikani Wakamashawa. Thank you very much for joining me on Nkanelo Gingirikani. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you're not left behind. You are the first to receive it. So let's not waste any time. You've all witnessed it. The Idols top 4 has been revealed. So here is your top 4 Idols 2020. In no particular order: Zanotando, Mr. Music, Zama, and Brandon. These are the people that got most of your votes. Unfortunately, we had to say goodbye to Ndoni. What do you guys think of the top 4? You think there's a person who doesn't deserve to be there? Tell us down below in the comment section. Let's hear what you think. From me, Mandla Gingirikani Wakamashawa. Please don't go anywhere because I'm coming back with a critique of the show. Hi, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Legere mina, ekes dors, I'm testing Tora. Salute. Mengatetemel.